Hi, my favorite humans. It's Mrs. Rincon here with another lesson on CVC sounds. So we have 3 letters that make 3 sounds, and we have to figure out what the middle sound is. So there's a beginning sound, there's an ending sound, and there's a middle sound. And we're going to figure out what's the sound and what letter makes that sound. Ready for this? All right. So the word is leg. Say leg. Good. Leg. Now it's kind of hard to hear the middle sound, but let's stretch the sound out. Egg. Egg. Leg. What sound do you hear? Eh. And what vowel makes the eh sound? Good. E. So let's read it. Leg. Leg. Good. Ooh, the next one is a piece of gum. Say gum. Gum. Now we hear g in the beginning and but what do we hear in the middle? Gum. We can't hear it. Let's break it. Let's chop it up. Ready? G. G. What vowel makes the sound? U. Good. Gum. Next one is a rod. When you go fishing, you take a rod or fishing pole, but it's a rod, like a stick. Rod. Rod. D. What makes the sound? What vowel? Is it an A, an E, an I, an O, or a U? Like octopus. Good. So it's O. Rod. Now this is a cat. 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 Apple. Good. A. Cat. 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 All right. This is a pin. Say pin. So not a pen, a pin. In. In. In like inch. Which is an I. Good job. In. Pin. Good. The boy, he's going to run. The word is run. Say run. 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 Like umbrella. What letter is that? U. Run. Run. Good. This is a picture of a bun. A bun. Say bun. 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 Again. Good. U. Let's read it. Bun. Bun. Good job. The next one is sob. That's like crying. She's gonna sob. Sob. Do you hear it? Sob. What's the word? Sob. What's the sound you hear right here in the middle? Good job. Like octopus. Sob. This is a lid on a box. A lid. To cover the box, you use a lid. Say lid. 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 So id. Good. Inch. I. Good. Id. The I says inch. Okay. That looks delicious. Dip. They're going to dip the chip. Dip. Dip. They're going to dip the chip in a dip. Dip. D. I. P. I. 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 Again. What is it? I like inch. It's an I. Very good. Ooh, the dog. He is going to beg. He's begging for food. Beg. Say beg. B. Egg. So not big. It's beg. B. E. See my mouth now? It's not I. Inch. It's e. Like egg. Bag. E. Very good. E. Bag. Ooh, this is a jam. It's beautiful. Say jam. 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 E. E. Good. Jam. Jam. And this is a pad where you write stuff down. A notepad, right? Pad. P-A-D. P-A-D. What makes the A sound? A. Apple. P-A-D. Good job. Ooh, now we have a pod, a pea. These are peas in a pod, right? Pod is a group of peas, a group of something. P-A-D. Pod. 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 Ah, like octopus. Good. Let's read it. P-A-D. Pod. Good job. We're done with this lesson, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed middle sound vowels, short vowel sounds. So you did a wonderful job. I hope you enjoy the rest of my videos if you're ready for more. And stay tuned. Bye. Happy learning.